Incoming is a Samsung, it's LG K7. Incoming charge current is fluctuating between 0.00 to 0.10 amperes. The device is intermittently charging, so it shows the charge port is a little bit loose over here. The entire region of the screen is cracked. Digitizer is functional across a 4.4 region test. The rear home button does appear to be functional. The no other buttons are okay. Volume down, volume up button is also functional. Display itself is in good working order. No other functions and features are tested right now. We're going to go ahead and look at the price for an LG K7 digitizer and LCD. I don't believe that we can service the digitizer separately, so we'll change out the entire assembly for this device.